Want to stop that annoying skin irritation from your pool chemical imbalance fast? Okay, so first off, always test your pool water regularly, like at least once a week, because you never know when those chemicals start acting up. Use a reliable pool test kit, or strips to check pH, chlorine, and alkalinity. Getting those right is key. Keep your pH between 7.2 and 7.8, because if it's too high or low, your skin's gonna feel it. Next, make sure your chlorine levels stay in the safe zone, usually 1 to 3 parts per million, so you kill germs without frying your skin. Don't forget alkalinity. It helps stabilize pH, so aim for 80 to 120 parts per million. If you see any weird stuff like cloudy water or a strong chlorine smell, test again and adjust. When adding chemicals, do it slowly and separately to avoid crazy reactions. And hey, always run your pool filter well. It helps keep everything balanced and clean, so your skin doesn't pay the price. One of the biggest mistakes with pool chemical imbalance causing skin irritation is not testing the water often enough, which means problems sneak up on you. Fix this by setting a weekly reminder to check your water. Another common issue is ignoring pH levels. If it's off, your skin gets itchy or red, so use pH increasers or decreasers to keep it steady between 7.2 and 7.8. Lastly, people often dump too much chlorine at once thinking more is better, but that just burns your skin. Instead, add small amounts gradually and retest before adding more. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without the hassle of guessing who's legit. Plus, it helps contractors connect with people who need their skills, making it a win-win for everyone trying to keep their homes safe and comfy.